Hey, this is Dennis from GleanQuote. I wanted to talk to you for a few minutes about GleanQuote. If your company's like most others, you're sending documents, proposals, spreadsheets, PDFs, and especially quotes to your customers to get feedback, signatures, and even payment. Well, we designed GleanQuote to make all of that easier, smarter, faster, smoother, so that your teams can send it in minutes and that your customers can actually say yes and click it in minutes, even on their cell phones. The reason we named it GleanQuote, however, is because of the dynamic quoting tool that we built in there. GleanQuote allows you to build and manage as many quote and proposal templates as you need to, starting with either a blank template or use one of our professionally pre-designed industry-based templates. Our builder is not only easy to use, but it's extremely powerful by combining drag and drop elements and a custom HTML builder to make sure that any document or proposal you produce is not only going to look great as a PDF, but also scalable to different digital formats. Here's a preview of a proposal that I built in GleanQuote. You can see rich text and graphics, as well as variables that we pulled in directly from a CRM or customer database that not only saves your team time, but increases accuracy without having to manually type it in. We can have things such as hyperlinks to steer a customer to a specific website, as well as that quote block we talked about before. Now that's driven by a product library and price list that is sophisticated enough to handle even the most complex quoting environment. Here's a couple other samples, a sample NDA or statement of work that you can also build and collect signature using a signature block or even input using input variable blocks. User and customer input fields are a great way to gather information back from a customer or recipient and map that information back into GleanQuote. For example, purchase order, billing contact name, or comments or changes needed to the existing proposal. Adding a quote table to a proposal template allows you to pull directly from a list of products that you can manage within GleanQuote that you can bulk import or add from scratch, as well as different price lists that you can use for quick and easy pricing based on customer or 10% off for new customers, however you want to set it up. The product and pricing management tools in GleanQuote are sophisticated enough to handle even the most complex quoting environment, with everything from packaged and grouped product bundles, special pricing based on the bundled products, to product options that allow for more than just a selection such as size or color of a product that can be required or not required, but allow your user to input a variable or an integer that modifies the price of the product. For example, if your price needs to be reflective on the number of employees in a company or the square footage of a room, or if you have a product add-on that by selecting it adds a certain dollar amount to the price of the existing product. Back on the proposal side, the quote block can actually be broken up by sections, making it very easy for not only your user to enter something such as products or services separately, but for your customer to get a very clear picture of exactly what you're quoting. Another unique feature with GleanQuote that I know is a favorite amongst most sales managers out there is the ability to save off a predefined quote block in a proposal template. This makes it very easy for your reps and users to quickly add different options or quote blocks to a proposal without having to build it from scratch. GleanQuote also gives you the ability to manage accounts and contacts within the database, which makes it very easy to select who you're sending the proposal and quote to sign off on, and which user from your company is going to be in the from field. When you're finished with your proposal, simply click Preview to load the viewer and make sure everything's going to look okay. Back to Editor and click Send. And then before you click to send the proposal, you can add a customized subject line, a personal message to the recipients, give an expiration date for the proposal, as well as set a reminder so that every couple of days the recipients can be reminded that they still have a proposal to be signed. Your recipient can also use a mobile device to legally sign their document. Simply click the orange link in the email, scroll through to read and review the document, which is mobile optimized. Click the signature line to enter your signature, which is a legally binding recipient signature. Click the orange button to finish, and now the document is complete. Use the activity screen then to see when each proposal was created, sent, viewed by either any user or recipient, even if there was multiple recipients included on the proposal signature form, as well as when it was signed off. So here you can see it was signed off 5/17/10:09 a.m. Easily go to Overview, get the PDF for the signed proposal, which can then be printed out for your records. So now I hope you're as excited about GleanQuote as we are. The next step would be to go to our website and click Try It Now and step into a 14-day free trial. Or better yet, let's hop on a demo where we can discuss your specific company needs and see how GleanQuote can work with them. We look forward to working with you. Have a great day, guys.